The ULTA A.M. Beauty Boost Sampler Kit is available now for $19. It does have a value of $81 with 6 morning beauty routine must-haves. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Start the day right with the AM Beauty Boost set. Rise and shine with confidence as you embrace the power of our curated selection of AM must-haves. The kit will include Lancome Genuine Deluxe 0.24 ounces, Live Tinted Rays Copper Peptide Eye Mask 1 pair, MAC Max Stack Mascara Deluxe 0.1 ounce, Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge 1 count, REM Beauty Interstellar Highlighter Topper in Miss Mercury 0.08 ounce, Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Makeup Setting Spray 0.5 ounce, as well as a cosmetic bag. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.